state is your first preference in the country?
Sir, my first preference is the state of Rajasthan.
Now, have you read about the state of Rajasthan? I would like to know from you a few small details. How many districts are there in Rajasthan?
I'm sorry, sir, I do not know
How
exactly.
many divisions are there? Because if you serve in the IAS, you could be a commissioner someday. How many divisions are there? How many seats does Rajasthan have in the Lok Sabha? How many in the Rajya Sabha? Okay, Rajasthan is the largest state in the country in terms of area.
Yes,
Where
sir.
does it rank in terms of population?
Sorry,
You don't
sir,
know.
I do not.
Now, your second career preference is the foreign service.
Yes,
correct?
sir.
Now, India is a member of some important groupings. One of them is G20. Can you tell me where is the next G20 summit going to be held and when?
Sir, I believe it is going to be held in Saudi Arabia in 2022 and then the next summit in India in 2023.
Now, Saudi Arabia, it was already held in 2020. Last year, there was a virtual G20 summit. But now coming to 2021, where is it going to be held?
I'm sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall.
So, you don't even know when it is going to be held?
Sir, this year. Sir, this year.
But dates?
Dates, sir.
And you said 2022 it will be held in Saudi Arabia. No, 2022 will be Indonesia.
Indonesia. Okay, sir. Thank you.
It will be held now in Italy, 30-31 October.
Okay, sir.
Now, can you tell me why was the G20 set up? What is its main objective?
Sir, the G20 was mainly set up because there are various middle income or high income economies which are not part of the G7 grouping. So these countries came together in order to look after the needs of these countries, to reform the economic system and to also work on multilateralism, because many of the international economic institutions are mainly controlled by the G7 countries or the Western countries. So because of these reasons, the G20 grouping was formed.
How many countries are members of the G20?
Sir, 20 countries.
You are wrong, 19. Which is the 20th member? Is the European Union. Okay, let's talk about some other institutions of which India is a member. India is a part of BIMSTEC.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the full form of BIMSTEC?
Yes, sir. The full form of BIMSTEC is Bay of Bengal Initiative for multi-sectoral, technical and economic cooperation.
Now, from India's point of view, tell me 3 main advantages of being in BIMSTEC. What are the objectives?
Sir, the 3 advantages for India for being part of BIMSTEC can be that it will the countries can cooperate with each other in the Bay of Bengal region and in the larger Indian Ocean region, wherein because of the languishing nature of SAARC, so BIMSTEC can provide a refreshing approach for India. And also these countries can work on issues such as countering terrorism, improving the connectivity and the trade, improving the people-to-people ties as well. And BIMSTEC can also serve as a platform to counter China's influence in India's neighborhood.
All right. My last question.
Yes, sir.
You spoke about SAARC being in limbo or being language. Which countries are members of SAARC but are not members of BIMSTEC?
Sir, I believe Afghanistan is not a member of BIMSTEC, and Sir, Sri Lanka is also not.
Are you sure?
No, sorry, sir. Sri Lanka is a part of BIMSTEC.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you so much, Ms. Ria.
Thank you, sir.
Our discussion with you is over.
Thank you,
So
sir.
kindly wait for a few minutes. We'll call you for feedback.